Welcome everybody to Milo's new adventure. Yes, step back, relax, grab yourself the snack on. Enjoy, guys. Let's get into it. Yeah?
Bass boat setting there, waiting on the trailer. This guy here is headed for the trailer. Oh yeah. Yeah, Big Daddy. Cool. Another boat in, another bass boat in, guys. Another bass boat. Oh yeah. Cool. Oh, look out. That's a good way to... I don't know what that's all about. Another bass boat in there, guys. Cito, they must have had a tournament. Cito's moving out. Oh yeah. Crazy, crazy guys, crazy. People up here watching already today, guys. I think this is the trailer for that bone collector. He's just getting in. These guys here must be what's in control of the tournament. They'll go that way and park where the Cito guy did. Okay. Another boat in, guys. Some guy with a red truck pulled up here. Keeps easing closer for some reason. I just made eye contact with him. Let him know he's not, you know, sneaking up on me. All right. Bone collector, yeah. Very cool. Boat out. Boat out, guys. Boat out. Trying to get to the... Oh, yeah. Alright, guys. He's going for it back there. Man, I had it off for a few minutes. Dang it. Another boat, guys. Oh yeah. Bring him in, Big Daddy. Bring him in. Bring him in, Big Daddy. Hey man, look at this, see this, guys? That's how those shallow water anchors work. Boy, it's real bright out here, guys. Real bright, hot Florida sun, that's for sure. They got this boat off. That's a cool little boat. An older boat. Got about 4 or 5 bass boats waiting. Yeah, right down here in front of us. I'm not sure what's happening there. Well, guys, I hope everything is going good with this. This is the first time that this camera has been put into operation, really. I just hope that it works good today. I guess we'll find out, won't we? That guy in the back there, I guess he's trying to get on back there. Here comes this guy in. You hear what that guy said? He said he caught about 13 or 14 fish. Oh. Crazy.
Yep, dude, I could have caught 15, 16.
Pontoon boat in over there. Another bass boat. Going down, guys.
In there and grabbed the small one and threw it.
I think he's going for the trailer right here. Wow, right beside of this guy. Oh yeah. Look out! Tournament setting up over there. Oh yeah. boat out over here. They got that one. Awful hot today here in Florida, guys. Ah. Oh yeah. Trailer coming in, hitting the water right there. I forgot my weights today, guys. I hope it won't make much difference there. That jerk right there. All right, here we go. He's getting it there. He might have got it though. Kind of guiding the guy back there a little bit. I heard it. I heard it. You got this one. Bass boat out. Oh yeah. Take her home, Big Daddy. Take her home. He's getting it there. Wow, look at this boat. That's crazy looking. All right. Hang on, guys. I guess I should say Milo's new adventure. Getting ready to go on a trip, guys. Here in a couple of days. Trailer coming in for this one up on the hill there. You can see it right there. Hang on there. Coming in. Oh yeah. Well, the boats are piling up against the shore over here like last weekend. He's goosing it there. Oh yeah. Very cool. Well, I hope it's recording everything. It says it's recording. You know how it is, guys, when you try something different, something new, you just don't know. You just never know. All right. Cool little red bass tracker, I think it was there. Yeah, bass tracker. get it, Big Daddy.
Yeah, where you go, man? We're putting your boat on my truck.
That little blue boat, he's headed out. Okay, trailer coming in. Another bass boat right beside of this guy. You'll see him coming up in there in just a second, guys. All these bass boats trying to get out of here. Yeah. All right. Got the old signal up there. Okay, here we go. See what happens here, guys. Hang on, double up. Yeah. They're weighing the fish up over there, guys. I hadn't really looked over there yet. But they're weighing the fish up is what's happening over there. That guy just dumped his fish back in. Oh yeah. Look at this boat, guys. Boy, that's different, isn't it? Well, is that lights? No. Oh, that's on this thing. Oh my. I see lights flickering on this camera and it's like, what was that? Oh, man. I like his flag. I think he just weighed his fish. Boy, that's different. Real different. As hot as it is here, you do need some kind of canopy or something. I know that's a beamy top or whatever they call those things anymore. Cool. Looks like he's got a flower or something growing in it. Oh, that's different. Oh, look out there. These guys over here dumping their fish back. Oh, I guess they're going to take a picture. This guy's going to take a picture. Cool. Oh, yeah. Okay. They're still trying to get that little boat on over there. Oh, man, that guy, whatever one he pulled out of there, he's alive. I don't know if we can see it from this angle very good. Wow, cool.